Hill Country Memorial is a full-service healthcare system specializing in patient-centered care. As a leading provider of orthopedic treatment, we offer everything from surgery to imaging, wellness care, emergency care, home care, physical therapy, pain management, rheumatology, and rehabilitation. Our orthopedic surgeons specialize in joint replacement, sports medicine, arthroscopy and ligament repair, hand surgery, and general orthopedics. With cutting-edge equipment, our team works to assure a seamless treatment plan for you. Our passion is returning you to what matters, so you can get back to the life you love. Hill Country Memorial is dedicated to your lifelong well-being. From one family to another, trust your orthopedic care to Hill Country Memorial.